Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you some car cleaning motivation. As you can see, there was a ton of trash and dirt, and there was also some dust all over the dash that I needed to take care of, but I wanted to give you guys an overview before I got started. That way you could see just how bad this car was, and it definitely felt better to have it all done. But let's go ahead and get started. I wanted to start by getting all of the trash out of the car. It had been months since I had cleaned out the car, and you could definitely tell by how much trash was in here. So I just grabbed a trash bag and went all the way around the car and gathered all of the trash. That way it was out of the way. I did want to mention that this video is by no means a deep clean or like a super detailed job. This was just trying to get all of the trash and dirt and dust out of the car. And the reason being is because when I filmed this, it was around 10 o'clock in the morning. And because we're in Florida, it is crazy hot. So when I was filming this, like I said, it was in the morning, but it already felt like 97 degrees, and it was just too hot, especially with me being 5 months pregnant. It was too hot for me to do some kind of deep clean in this car. I just wanted to get everything out of the car and wiped down. Once all of the trash was out of the car, I grabbed a laundry basket and filled it with the things that needed to be taken inside. There were a ton of cups and other things that needed to be taken in, so that's what I'm doing here, just getting everything out. And then once everything was out, I went ahead and took all of the floor mats out of the car and shook them to get rid of any dirt. That way I could vacuum. To vacuum out the car, I am using my LG Cord Zero vacuum. I didn't feel like getting the shop vac out and plugging it in and doing all of that, so I just grabbed this vacuum, and it got most of the dirt and everything out. So I just went around and vacuumed everything out. I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
Once I had all of the carpet vacuumed, I decided to go ahead and vacuum out the cup holders and everything. There was so much dust and crumbs and stuff like that just that had collected, so I wanted to vacuum that out. And then I grabbed the water hose and the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface concentrate and a scrub brush to clean the floor mats, and I just filled up the cap that's on the bottle and poured that over the floor mats and then just scrubbed them, and they came pretty clean.
Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
Once I had scrubbed and rinsed the floor mats, I just hung them up on the railing of the deck. That way they could dry, and because it was so hot and so sunny, it really didn't take long for them to dry.
But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get
Here are all of the products that I'll be using to wipe everything down. They're mostly Armor All products. I have a freshening spray for the carpets, and then I have cleaning and protectant wipes for the dash and everything, and then I have leather wipes for the seats. But I just started with the cleaning wipes for this section right here, because if you use anything that's too shiny, it will leave streaks, just the material of the cup holders and the touchscreen and all of that is. So I just used the cleaning wipes first, and then I took the protectant wipes and wiped down the dash.
I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
Once I had the center part, the dash, and the door wiped down, I grabbed my leather wipes and started wiping down the seats.
Why don't we just get a place together? We can get white walls with big windows. much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together? Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together? Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good?
Here's a final look at everything now that it's done. It felt so much better to have this done, and the car smelled better too, obviously. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it motivated you in some way today. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please hit the little red subscribe button. I would love to have you join this little family we have here on YouTube. And thank you again. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but